guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. I'm really excited about this because I never have time to do my makeup, so this is perfect. I'm about to go to work. It is almost 3 o'clock. I've got to be there for 4, so I'm going to hurry up and get this done. This is perfect for me because this is usually something that I'm doing in my car in the parking lot, so if I can make this a habit to get it done in 5 minutes, knock it out real quick, and go, that would be great. So I'm going to set my timer using this iPad. So I'll go ahead and get it pulled up. I've already moisturized my face, that's it, I have nothing else on, and I do have all of my products already picked out in front of me. That way I'm not trying to search for everything and wasting time. So I'm just going to pull my hair up real quick, or pull it out of my face real quick. So, I've got my timer, you can see that set on 5 minutes, so I'm going to begin. Alright, first I'm going to prime my face using e.l.f. and this is the Hydrating Moisturizer. Okay, next for foundation, I'm using my Milani foundation with a beauty blender. Actually, I'm going to use a brush because I feel like that'll be faster. Then I'll go over it with a beauty blender. So I'm just going to hold dabs. And this is a foundation brush by Morphe. I do like using a beauty blender, but this is a lot faster, so. I am making sure that I'm getting my eyelids because I'm not going to do eyeshadow, eyeliner. We ain't got time for all that. Okay, I'm going to bring a little more product and I'm going to bring it down to my neck because I am super pasty right now. And ears. Okay, next I'm going to conceal. We are at 3 minutes and almost 40 seconds. This is Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like I'm like stressed out, so it's making me go slower. Alright. Now to do that, I am going to use that same brush on my nose. Again, just because it's faster than a beauty blender. And on my forehead. But I will use the beauty blender for underneath my eyes. Let's go. This is hard. Okay, I'm going to set that using that same damp beauty blender. I'm going to use my Kat Von D loose powder. I'll leave links to everything that I use below, by the way, y'all, because I really don't have time to go into detail about it. And then I am going to make sure that I set right here because this is my problem area. My laugh line's creased really bad. I'm just going to smooth all that out using a brush from Real Techniques. Okay, we're at 2 minutes and 17 seconds. I'm going to bronze using this e.l.f. bronzer. This is the Duo with the blush. On my forehead. Okay, I'm going to smooth some of that out with any excess left on that powder brush. Now for highlight, I'm going to use Champagne Pop by Becca. And it's probably my favorite like single highlighter. Okay, next I'm going to blush. This is by Tarte. I think it's Amazonian Clay, I'm not sure. I'll leave it below. Alright, mascara, Scandalized by Rimmel, my go-to. I'm just gonna stick one coat real quick. My screen went black, so I don't know how long we have, probably like a minute. I don't have time to open it. Okay, I'm going to set my brows using, this is just a gel from Benefit. Again, I'll leave the links below if I can get it open. I don't have time to actually fill in my brows, so this is just going to set them in place, give them a better shape. Okay, now for my lips, I'm going to quickly line. This is Urban Decay. And then the matching lipstick. Thumbs up! Oh my god, perfect! The only thing that I would have done next would be to set, and that's just using the Urban Decay setting powder. So 5 minutes and a couple seconds, not too bad. Final look, this is perfect for me to go to work. I don't need a heavy face. This feels really light actually. So it's perfect because I'll be working until like 2 in the morning. So yeah, we did it, 5 minutes. It was a little stressful. I could probably take like 6 or 7 minutes and would go a lot more smoothly with just adding a minute or 2. But overall, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to be notified whenever I do post a video, you can just turn on your notifications. I'll leave every product that I use down below, along with links if you want to order them. So yeah, bye guys, see you next time.